At Colorado College, we are a 4-field anthropology program. In a lot of other small liberal arts colleges, you only find 2 or 3 of the fields represented. And so we have the 4 subdisciplines of anthropology represented with cultural anthropology, biological anthropology, linguistics, and archaeology. I think what is unique about our major is that anthropology is a discipline that's really engaged with the world and with the community. And being at CC, having the block plan, that allows us to go out in the world.
We learn how to express our skills that we learned through ethnography or taking field notes, and learning how to translate that into a workplace type of environment was really helpful.
Some of my classes have been 5 people, some of them have been 20 people, but I've come out of all of them feeling like I've had a friend in the major.
Yeah, I have been able to take teams of students to both Madagascar and South Africa in the past, and potentially we'll be heading hopefully to Panama in the next few years. Our majors go on to do so many different things. We have some right now who are in environmental law programs and others who are working in education. They end up a lot of times pursuing, I think, things that they're very passionate about in completely different ways.